Today, we will discuss from impact to investment, making giving smart with Aram Greeny. How are you?
I'm doing very well. Thank you for having me.
What inspired you to enter to this field?
So the name of our business is UI Charitable Advisors. At UI Charitable Advisors, we are a philanthropic advisory firm. What that means is that we help our individual donors, and a lot of the work we do is through financial professionals as well. So financial advisors, CPAs, trust and estate attorneys, really anyone working in the financial world with tax planning and helping their clients.
In the UK and in the US, most donation are derived from big income. If you are earning a lot of money, in the UK, I have seen that businesses, like if we donate something, we pay less tax. It is better to donate some of our money for a charitable cause and then get two things out there. One thing is supporting individuals as a great charity. Second thing is also reducing your cost benefit.
Part of that is tax planning with their wealth professional, but part of that is finding a charity or a middleman that can help facilitate that for them. Somebody that can accept whatever that asset is and then help get cash to the charity that they actually want to support. And that's one of the major obstacles we face.
People wanted to donate money. They don't think when they are donating, like the critical way to maintain their assets and gain value from there. I know that you wanted to donate, one thing. Second thing, I know that you have a mind to support other people. Third thing, you get benefited out there and you are the one, you will create the end-to-end process for the clients so they can relax.
We offer to maximize, number one, maximize the tax benefit that you get for your giving, and number two, maximize your impact. We one of our big priorities at UI Charitable is helping people give in an impactful way. We not only care about getting the money to a charity, but we're saying, how do we help you maximize that impact and the good that you're doing?
Some people, they don't think about the outcome. They think that, okay, they are doing a great job and that job will provide outcome, but they don't worry about what outcome actually they will get.
Yeah.
What makes your approach unique?
I'll focus on donor advised funds. Donor advised funds are a charitable giving vehicle. It's basically a charitable savings account. So you can fund this DAF, have it sit there for a while, and then give to charity over the next 5-10 years, all out of this single account.
If you can make this kind of impactful decision making for your client, that will transform so many lives full of impact.
We've built our flywheel fully around referrals. And so our whole concept is establishing these really loyal, successful partnerships with wealth professionals. So that's advisors, investment advisors, CPAs, attorneys, different types of professionals helping clients do their estate planning and charitable giving. And so partnerships are really our sole focus. How do we develop deep partnerships where we're talking about important things and helping them help their clients give to the causes that they're most passionate about?